EAVISION J100 is multifunctional agricultural drone that seamlessly integrates a variety of solutions, including crop protection, the distribution of granules, land surveying, as well as lifting various objects. Equipped with expansive 56-inch propellers and boasting a peak thrust of 53 kilograms and a fully loaded thrust-to-weight ratio of 2.0, the power system ensures unparalleled downwash and mist synchronization for optimal coverage in every application. High payload. The standard 45-liter tank can be optionally expanded to 60 liters. Dual electromagnetic impeller pumps can reach a maximum flow rate of 24 liters per minute. High efficiency. The maximum operation speed is increased by 38% to 13.8 meters per second. The effective swath width is expanded by 25% to 10 meters. Thanks to an upgraded route algorithm, directional positioning during takeoff and landing, and the ability to perform drifting turns for agile maneuvering, operational time efficiency is increased to 68 km per hour, marking a 80% improvement. The third-generation CCMS ambient temperature mist nozzles offer significant upgrades with a redesigned adjustable water outlet for improved atomization. It allows for precise control over droplet sizes ranging from 10 to 300 microns, even with a substantial flow rate of up to 24 liters per minute, ensuring effortless transition between settings. The J100 is highly effective in penetrating dense foliage in orchards and delivering high-efficiency coverage in crop fields. Its versatility and spray nozzle technology make it ideal for a wide range of applications. Switching between dual and quad nozzles is easy and quick. The innovative MCRFF is perfectly matched with the drone's downwash updraft airflow field, providing a full particle size range of 10 to 300 microns. The drone's advanced spraying system creates a wide-reaching mist field that envelopes the entire canopy, ensuring thorough coverage. This includes a unique reverse rotation diffusion that sprays from the top down and reflects upwards from the ground, achieving comprehensive bidirectional penetration and uniform distribution on both the upper and underside of the canopy. The quantity of small droplets has increased exponentially, ensuring even coverage and penetration in densely planted crops. With the same amount of water, our advanced spraying technology doubles the density of leaf coverage, demonstrating a remarkable increase in efficacy. Based on multiple ALS spot array scanning technology, the innovative high-resolution laser compound eye triples the field of view and extends the detection range, and integrates 360-degree 4D imaging radar to enable seamless real-time perception without blind spots. Covering an area the size of a football field, it can detect obstacles as small as 1 centimeter in diameter, such as dead branches, utility poles, and power lines, thus providing all-round safety assurance within the operational environment. The onboard chipset boasts remarkable computing power, enabling real-time generation of a 3-dimensional map of the operation environment. It autonomously plans safe flight paths, ensuring smooth obstacle avoidance and terrain following at 10 meters per second across various landscapes, including plains, waters, and mountains, eliminating the need for manual terrain selection for efficient and hassle-free operation. The drone now features night vision for obstacle avoidance, enabling seamless 24/7 operation without the need for extra markers. Night operations can be conducted safely even in orchards with multiple power lines and complex environments. In fact, spray efficacy can be even better at night as certain pests come out in lower temperatures. The new laser compound eye recognition system, paired with quad spray nozzles and wind mist synchronization, can still achieve 90-degree terrain following, power line avoidance, smooth turning, and good droplet penetration, thus doubling the effectiveness and efficiency in mountain areas. The easily exchangeable 50 kg granule spreader features a rotary sensor for accurate empty tank detection and a replaceable blade mixer for consistent, high-speed distribution at 110 kg per minute. An enhanced precision algorithm for material dispersion has been developed, providing accurate spread with less than a 10 cm margin of error, significantly reducing the chances of oversowing and missing coverage. The fixed attitude mode allows for a flight height of up to 30 meters. Dual antenna design is suitable for a wide range of special operations. The new manual operation enhancement mode enables precise manual operation of speed, altitude, directional control, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. These extra enhanced features allow for quick and accurate manual operations without the need for land mapping. The CTB shell core integrated supercharged battery with a blade-like structure allows for rapid heat dissipation, even in 40 degrees Celsius high-temperature environments. The drone can be operated smoothly on the rotation of two batteries. Dual interface design for charging and discharging resolves issues of possible short-circuiting and overheating during high-temperature operations in the summer, allowing for a fast, safe, and reliable power connection. The 9,000-watt integrated cooling charger enables super-fast charging, fully powering up the device in just 9 minutes for a quick startup. The system allows for seamless switching between fast and slow charging modes, accommodating both generator and electrical outlet charging, catering to diverse charging requirements. The newly developed advanced remote controller features a vehicle-grade 7-inch ultra-clear screen with a larger, more user-friendly interface. Its built-in 6nm 8-core vehicle-grade AI processor, coupled with an efficient cooling fan, delivers optimal computing power. The enhanced data link extends the transmission range to 3 kilometers. With FPV resolution of 1080p, ultra-low latency, and a wide 130-degree field of view, the pilot sees the surroundings in high definition in real time. The high-definition FPV camera, combined with our mapping software, delivers rapid staging of topographic maps with processing time as low as 5 minutes for an 8-acre plot, thus eliminating the need for manual marking and doubling operational efficiency. The mapping device comes with an adjustable stand, allowing for quick acquisition of RTK signals even in dense forest environments. Optionally, the drone can be equipped with the SuperLink communication station, a multifunctional tool that combines high-precision surveying, an offline base station, signal relay, and lifting guidance, ensuring reliable performance in areas with no network, weak signals, or mountain interference. The state-of-the-art intelligent lifting function renders a maximum lifting capability of 60 kilograms, streamlined with quick installation, quick release, and automatic detachment features. This cutting-edge automatic guidance system addresses the common difficulties associated with manual dropping inaccuracies, potentially creating dangers with drone flight misjudgment. It enables one-click locating of takeoff and lifting points, facilitating autonomous flight and effectively doubling the efficiency of lifting operations. Safer flight, more efficient operation, superior spraying, more comprehensive functions. The EAVISION J100 agricultural drone sprayer is beyond your imagination.